Enzo Aisha, T-Mark promotion, Prophet Passion Java. What is really going on? Teach me as a digger. Let's take a deeper look. If this is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe, and welcome back to everyone who has subscribed. We really want to appreciate you. Don't tender with for you. Alright. Don't tender in support. I really want to appreciate you, and we are growing and we are doing very well. We are going to be giving you daily commentary videos every single day. So can I want to subscribe? Please subscribe, and also check out the videos that I did, the other videos. Now these are in the comments box. From my comments box, I put a link down below. My videos and so that you can see some of the stories that we are talking about. Right, let's get into today's story. We have got T-Mark, and we have got Prophet Passion Java, and we have got Enzo Aisha. As you all know, Enzo Aisha was always with Prophet Passion Java, and then he went over to T-Mark. And then recently, Enzo Aisha has then decided to kind of move achienda kuna Prophet Passion Java again. So this is what is happening. Ukatasa mazuva apfuura ya Enzo Aisha na Prophet Passion Java wanga achiendosana. Prophet Passion Java wanga achiendosa Enzo, vachiendosa masongs ake, and even izveso like izveso patone song ya Enzo Aisha iri kupisa. Go and check out pachannel ya Enzo Aisha itoripo izveso. There's a song ya Enzo Aisha iri kunzi it has been sponsored by Prophet Passion Java. But Enzo Aisha has got sponsors like Agaraine, like management. But the good thing is, like I said in the other videos, kutika T-Mark akati Enzo ane mukana wokuita inonzi full creative ability. Akanzi munhu anenge ada kushanda naye anongoshanda naye. I don't know kuti zvino include vamwe masponsor. But still, whatever the case might be, let's look at what people have been saying. People have been saying kuti hanzi T-Mark hanzi Enzo Aisha anenge adzokera kuna Prophet Passion Java. We don't know how far true that is, but what I think you can do is you can tell me what you think in the comments box about this story. And also T-Mark manjika akataka kunyarara. He hasn't been saying a lot, he hasn't been like doing a lot. I think in a lockdown, I don't know if in a lockdown. And also painzi papa ine mango ma collaborations angakarongwa. Papa chinzi papa karongwa collaboration nema international artist. And it's like obviously as you knew pakazoita corona pepe pakazoita ma lockdown. Aifana kuenda ku China, aifana kuenda ku Dubai, aifana kuenda ku India, aifana kuita I think European tour, Asia tour chichichi. But zvakazovhariswa nepakazoya pakazoya coronavirus. So T-Mark anga akanyarara pesa apa, and people started thinking kuti pamwe pane zviri kuitika. But Enzo Aisha nezuro manje ndo pachi pandozomboti arachitaura kuti Enzo Aisha anoratidza dzimwe level of wisdom. I don't know if there is someone who is, I don't know if it is his manager or if it is probably iye wacho kana kuti if he is getting advice. I think munhu iye ari kumaadvisa zviri right kuti he should not be like meddling into some of these like dzakatange hondo dzinenge dzichiitika kind of things. So nezuro Enzo Aisha akabva aposta zvake mukoma T-Mark. Handitika akabva aposta mukoma T-Mark nezuro after panzi Enzo arongoti Prophet Passion Java this, Prophet Passion Java that, vanhu vakati ini ndozviri kufanira kunge zvichiitika ere kuti pane zvike zvinhu zviri kuitika. So this is what he said. Iye Enzo Aisha wacho chaiche, this is what he posted. I'm going to show you what he posted. He said T-Mark official akamutega, but I'm proud. This is 20 hours ago. If you check here, it's 20 hours ago. He said T-Mark, I am proud of you, brother. I'm proud of you, bro. So your teachings are very rare to find. All white Baba. I think you know that. T-Mark is the all white Baba. He is the all white Lord. He is the gladiator in a white, the gladiator in white. Let's just say that. So this is T-Mark, and this was the day Ravakaita signed my contract out. So I think there might be a hidden message in this. Maybe he's just trying to tell people, no, relax. It's not like ndakanetsana na T-Mark. Atinambura tambonetsana, so zviri right. Because he's just saying, I'm proud of you, my brother, and also your teachings. Now look at what he said. Iye wacho T-Mark. Let's look at what T-Mark wacho said, because he responded. He said something, you know. So I don't know, what should I do? I don't know how to do this. Okay. Iye T-Mark akapindura. Let's check Enzo Aisha. Let's get back to page like Enzo Aisha, because I don't know why and where we are getting this. Let's look at the comments. Is this how you get the comments? Okay, good. This is how you get the comments. I'm trying to find your T-Mark, because T-Mark responded. He said something, but I don't know why I'm not getting your T-Mark. Okay, whatever the case may be, your T-Mark can just go on. But whatever the case might be, T-Mark responded in the Bangos white baba. So this one is something that is beautiful. I don't know what you can say, but I think there is a message that you are being told. Ipapapa panyaya kunzi musanyanyofunga musanyanyorizina kuti pamwe T-Mark na ngoma Enzo Aisha ngwasawirirana. No, it's not like that. There is nothing bad between them, or there is nothing that is happening. So now what I would like to hear from you guys is, do you think Enzo Aisha, alright, what do you think about this one, first of all? Then the other question that I have for you is, do you think Enzo Aisha are try to balance between the two, between Prophet Passion Java na T-Mark, especially considering the fact that Prophet Passion Java nezuro vakaita video vachiwanzira vanhu vakawanda vakasiyana siyana. Prophet Passion Java vanomboita ngoyana vachidhokonya vanhu kaudaizvo, so vanga vachidhokonya T-Mark. I don't know kuti T-Mark achapindura here, but Prophet Passion Java vanga vachitanzi ndiri kupisa, but hanzi challenge yachiyambomirwa, but because I think vane maissues avanga vachida kuda mbogadzirisa hameno zvikuitika zana Simba Java and all that stuff, but Prophet Passion Java vanga vachidhokonya T-Mark vachitanzi vamwe isarutonhora T-Mark avangoyamba vangoti pise 2 minutes vanyarara, ini ndiri kupisa. I don't know if T-Mark is going to be responding to that, but what do you think is going to happen in the event yekuti T-Mark apindura Prophet Passion Java na T-Mark kana vakatanga kunetsa na vakatanga kutadza kuwirirana? What do you think will happen to Enzo Aisha? Because it seems as if anenge ari pakati. Do you think kuti anofanira kupindira nyaya iyoyo, or anofanira kungovawo like humble, as he said in one of his songs, kuti just be humble, ungomirawo kana paine vanhu vanenge vachinetsana chingonyarara, especially kana usiri kuziva kuti kana kuti nyaya dzacho dzisiriwo dzisinganyanyokonzena iwe, but apa dzinodzikonzena iye zvake though. So I would like to hear what you guys think, and also, do you think kuti Enzo Aisha ari kutry kuti anga ainawo vese, kuti anenge aina T-Mark kubva ati Prophet Passion Java anenge akatsika rimwe gumbo kuti vati agare ari padhuze? And also, what do you think about what Enzo Aisha should do? Do you think kuti Enzo anofanira kuenda kuna T-Mark chaiko, or anofanira kutoenda kuna Prophet Passion Java, or anofanira kungodya kwese? At least like icho so atosponsor video oenda kuna T-Mark unosponsor imwe chichichi zvichingodaro. Let me know what you think in the comments box, and don't forget to check out other videos that I did today, and as usual I'm gonna see you in the next video.